waking up. Very good. Try.
Like waking up.
Yeah, it's similar to our word here, isn't it? Wake up, waking up. Yeah. Having fun. Go from there. Having fun. Having fun and waking. Oh, what do we do at the end? Having fun and waking. You're thinking of the very end. Not the very end here. That's
I want to do.
We're going to go to the very end, don't worry. So just do that one. Having fun and waking up. Try.
Having fun and
Waking up. Can you hear how my note goes down? Waking up. Not this, Gabriel, watch me. Waking up. That would be the same way. Yeah. Having up.
Having fun
And
and waking.
we're changing all our notes. Having fun and